Zach Bates here, and we are here in the worst possible conditions. Behind me, we've got two Tritons, one standard and one with the Bendix upgrade kit. As you can see, the weather is shocking, the worst conditions for these cars. The ultimate stress test. We're gonna run them as is, and then we're gonna put a ton of water in the back. Let's see what happens. The stock one first. Let's get out and measure it. Each cone in between is 5 meters, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 meters, that was 80 kilometers an hour in the stock car with no weight. Let's see what the Bendix Ultimate Full Drive Brake Upgrade Kit does. All right, here we go, 70, 80, and stopping. There we go, much better, look at that. The numbers don't lie, and it shows the result here. It's obviously a lot shorter than the car that's stock. Now we're gonna put a ton of water in the back, and we're gonna do the exact same tests and see the results. Now we're in the Bendix equipped Triton. We've got a ton of water in the back. Let's see how it stops. A lot of weight in there, a lot of weight. There we go, big stop, big stop. That's pretty impressive, but to just show how impressive it really is, we're gonna go get the stock one and do the same thing. Whoa. We just sailed past that thing. The poor old factory Triton just doesn't have it, does it? Oh, well, look at that. There you go. That's very impressive between the two. The overall pedal feel and confidence between the two is night and day. Yeah, you can see the proof is in the pudding. We're actually not too far off the Supercar. I might have to go have a look and have a word to the engineers, but yeah, what an incredibly cool product.